guys! And welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng burger steak with mushroom sauce. And here are the following ingredients. Meron akong 1 kilogram ng ground beef and isi-season natin to ng pepper to taste. Add natin tong half a tablespoon ng paprika. Season with salt to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. Add 2 teaspoon ng thyme. Add 1 piece ng finely chopped onion. Add 1 large egg. And mix it well. After nating ma-mix, i-cover lang natin ito at i-refrigerate natin for 1 hour. Ayan, after 1 hour, pwede na nating i-form yung ating patties. So, mag-scoop lang tayo ng desired amount. Depende sa inyo kung gaano kalaki ang gusto nyo gawin. Roll it in between your palms and press it down. And isa-set aside natin. Continue lang natin hanggang matapos natin yung mixture. Dito sa aking grill pan, na-preheat ko na ito at i-grill natin yung burger patties on high heat. Cook it for 3 to 5 minutes on one side. And then after 3 to 5 minutes, i-turn over naman natin ito. And then, i-cook natin uli for another 3 to 5 minutes. Huwag natin i-overcook yung burger para hindi titigas. So, niluto ko tong burger ng medium well done para juicy. So, remove natin from the pan. At continue lang natin ang pagluto. Nakagawa ako ng 12 pieces sa recipe ito. So, after natin maprito, isave lang natin tong oil na to, gagamitin natin. So, transfer ko yung oil sa isang pan at gigisa natin itong finely chopped onion. Palalambutin lang natin yung onion. Ayan, malambot na yung ating onion. Pwede na natin i-add tong 1 cup ng sliced mushroom. Pwede din kayong gumamit ng mushroom na nasa lata. I-drain nyo lang yung water. Cook natin for 5 minutes. Ayan, luto na yung ating mushroom. Transfer natin to sa isang bowl. Tanggalin natin yung excess oil. And using the same pan, i-melt natin itong 2 tablespoon ng butter. Then we can add 2 tablespoon ng all-purpose flour. I-cook natin itong roux for 1 minute. Ayan, luto na yung ating roux. Pwede na natin i-add itong 2 cups ng beef broth. Kung wala kayong beef broth, gumamit lang kayo ng 2 cups ng hot water. I-dissolve nyo yung 1 piece ng beef bouillon. And then, we will mix it well. Then, isi-season natin to ng salt to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. And of course, pepper to taste. Then, i-add na natin yung cooked mushrooms. At continue lang natin ang pag-simmer hanggang sa lumapot yung ating sauce. Ayan, malapot na yung ating sauce. Pwede na natin itong i-switch off. And there you have it, our quick and easy burger steak with mushroom sauce. Best served with rice. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram.